Hello and welcome to another video. Can you do this with no calculator? What is the value of 6 divided by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2? What is the purpose of this question? Let's see here. Basic operation for mental exercise. Mental exercise actually keeps our brains quick and sharp. The brain, like the muscles, gets stronger and more efficient with use. There are many great strategies for improving mental exercise abilities. So one of these strategies is order of operations in math. So order of operations, having these operations will do 6 divided by 3, which is 2, plus now 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Therefore, the best choice is A. The next question, can you try this with no calculator? What is the value of 6 multiplied by 4 minus 12 divided by 3 minus 8? We'll do 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24, minus we do 12 divided by 3, which is 4 minus 8. And the 24 minus 4 is 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 is 12. Therefore, the best choice here is 12. Okay, so doing this operation, you have to understand that there is order we have to follow. Otherwise, you'll get wrong answer. Now, what is the order? PEMDAS. E, E, M, D, A, S. Here represents parentheses, and that's the first step. So the first step is to solve the operation within parentheses or brackets. Parentheses are used to group things together, to work out all groupings from inside to out. So inside the parentheses, to outside the parentheses. The next one, that is E, which represents exponential. So work out the exponential expressions after the parentheses. The next one, you have M as a multiplication and the D as a division. But the thing is this, moving from left to right, that's why we have this arrow. Multiply and or divide whichever comes first. So if the multiplication comes before division, you do multiplication. But if its division comes before multiplication, you do division. The last step is A and S, A as addition, S as subtraction. So again, moving from left to right, add and or subtract whichever comes first. So again, if its addition comes before subtraction, you do addition. If it's subtraction before addition, you do subtraction. Now let's see an example where we have all these operations involved. Now do this with no calculator. So here we have subtraction, we have multiplication, we have exponential, we have parentheses. Now we say that the first operation to do is the parentheses, which is the bracket. But inside the bracket, we have again multiplication, exponential, and subtraction. Therefore, we'll do exponential first in the parentheses. So we have 20 minus 3 multiplied by, so we do 2 to the third power. 2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the third power means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by another 2. So we multiply 2 by itself and we repeat this 3 times. That's the reason of 2 to the third power is not a 6 but is 8. Minus 5. And we close the bracket. But it's not done yet. We need to again compute what you have inside the bracket. So this will be 20 minus. Now inside the bracket, we have the multiplication and the subtraction. But based on the order, we'll do multiplication before subtraction. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24 minus 5. We continue. So we have 20 minus, inside the parentheses we have 24 minus 5, which is 19. So now we have a 20 minus 19, which is 1. Therefore, the best choice is this. Thank you. But you have to understand this. Using calculator, yes, is useful. Calculator is useful. But doing math without a calculator is so helpful for your brain. So to get more questions like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.